We are living in an unprecedented time where life is slowly starting to return to a new normal with ever-changing modifications. The old standard for important business to be addressed in person has quickly been replaced by teleconference calls and the concept of operating remotely. Change, especially in technology, can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be, especially with the right guidance. We are Executive Stream Solutions, a team of concert touring professionals who before COVID were the trusted experts that toured the world, making the appearance of the largest artists in live entertainment look, sound, and feel amazing. As the times have changed, we too must adapt. We are now parlaying our unbelievably unique skills into making you look, sound, and feel amazing. We are working day in and day out to help you enhance both your personal and/or company image. Our all-star experienced team of professionals is able to provide you with a variety of packages to fit your personal or company's needs. We have lit up some of the world's largest stages, and now your image is our business. And we can't wait to help take your business to the largest possible stage. We are Executive Stream Solutions, and your image is our business.